Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fuzz dimensions in Revit. It's not a good thing to do, but many times we require this to save time. Here we are not talking about dimension rounding off, nor are we talking about precision or any other setting related to dimension. Here we have an actual cheat for you. Let's jump into it. Okay, so let's take a simple example. Suppose for any reason you have to change this value 2400 mm to 2800 mm. Maybe because you are in a hurry, you don't have time to edit the actual model, or maybe because you are stuck between something and Revit isn't allowing you to change that because of its rigidity. The reason could be any. Let's take this example, like you have to change this value to 2400 to 2800. How will you do that? So the trick is simple. Just click on the value. Okay, I suppose most of you have seen this. If I try to write the value here, Revit simply won't accept it. It says it has to be either accepted, replaced by a text value only. Neither we can use the above and below because it would be clearly visible what we have done, and this 2400 wouldn't be hidden. So how do we do that? Okay, now the real magic comes. You just have to right click this area and use this option, insert Unicode control character, and the last, and you have to select the last one, US, unit separator, segment separator. Just click on it. I know you cannot see anything, but the magic has been done. Okay, now if I try to apply the value, it will simply accept it. Okay, watch carefully again. I'm deleting all of it. I'm writing 2800 and trying to apply the value. It's not accepting it, but when I right click the area, insert this Unicode, it's not visible, but it has done its work. Now we can write any value at this place and Revit will accept it. Like I will write 28 meter, then also it will accept it. I will redimension this for you. The actual model length is still 2400, but we have cheated on Revit to show anything we'd like. Thank you for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe if it was helpful for you. Thank you.